worry.
Oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to our
Hello
episode
everybody.
of Boy 2, and
So
today
today
we're going to be
we're
burping
gonna
with Ross
be burping
and Kyle.
and me,
So
Ross,
enough
and
talk,
Kyle.
let's do
Remember,
it.
my friends? Then let's get to work. This is the first episode.
Enough talk.
3,
2, 1.
1.
Sorted.
You think?
Alright. You know what? This lid fell off and I was constantly.
I also have another bottle.
I think I actually.
What do you want?
I got another video.
Yeah.
I have another drink.
Sorted it. Right.
There you go.
What? A bit of technique there, Ben, isn't it?
Yep.
Good night.
Traffic light.
Oh no.
Say hi to YouTube.
Right.
Hello, baby.
Wow.
There's more videos to come tonight, guys, when I go home.
Okay.
Possibly. Well, Ross, Kyle, and me done it. So, yeah. So, enough talk. See you later, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Damn thing just snapped and then it went in there and slowed me down a bit.
Well, I think that's it for now.
Oh, it's gone now.
Okay, I have a burp coming.
You want to try and highly compromise me?
He smashed his can.
Yep, even the lid's gone. So now what I can just basically do is just do what I done at mechanics last week.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, guys. That's what I said.
Again, Ross? Again.
Don't forget to like, follow Ross on his Instagram. Traffic light. I'll move, Cameron. What? One in. Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching and see you next time.